Hello guys, it's early September here in Hoosier Woods. Starting to get that dry and tired look. It's hot as blazes and quiet as a tomb. But anyway, I come out here to check my trail cameras and that was a bust, so I thought maybe I'd do something on a flower. So I did find something out here. This is called Elmleaf Goldenrod. It's a member of the sunflower family. It's pretty common throughout the north and eastern United States and up into Canada. I'll give you a look at that flower. There's the leaves. A good bit of it around here.